Are you talking to Daddy?
Hi, Daddy. I come from Francie. I got footy. Okay.
Is he still there? Don't press any button, sweetie. Just see if Daddy's there. Say hello.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. She comes.
Are you going to hang up? Say bye-bye. Are you going to say bye-bye to Daddy?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Are you multitasking? Ryan? Are you multitasking?
Oh, goodness. Fairy. There it is.
Mommy's taking a video because she finds this hilarious.
Oh,
Yeah, I want to say hey. Thank you.